What's up, guys? It's your boy Robert here. Hope you guys are having a great day. Well, I think most of you guys know I am having a great time flying this thing, guys. It is the DJI FPV drone. Spending a lot of time on the simulator and slowly flying it up country here, just not too far away from my home. And I must say, guys, it's fun. It's different, but it's fun, you know, scary and fun. So yeah, that has been occupying my time a lot. And you know what, the weather has been actually the past few days it's been pretty good, but the past month I would say it's been rainy, so I couldn't really go out and film too much. But that should change. Hopefully the weather's gonna get better. Of course it's gonna get better because it's almost summertime, guys. So summertime is rolling in. Make sure you hit the subscribe button. My friend who owns a boat said he wants to go to Nepali coast. So you know what, you guys are coming along once that happens, and that's gonna be beautiful. I'm gonna bring my drones over there and drone from the boat, which is pretty hard. Actually, it's really hard. Maybe he'll drop me on the shore someplace over there, and then I can drone with the FPV and with the regular Mavic Air too. But besides that, guys, nothing much going on. Family life, yeah, it's been okay. There's a struggle here and there, but we're gonna pull through, guys. I have confidence in what's been going on lately, but don't want to burden you guys with that information. But overall, we are moving forward, guys. So hit the bell notification, leave a thumbs up if you guys like the video, and comment. Just comment. If you don't want to comment here, check out my Instagram, comment there, follow me on that platform, and all that good stuff, and TikTok too, which I hardly post on TikTok, but I should post more since they push my videos out more there. But yeah, I know I've been saying "but" a lot, but yeah, that's about it, guys. I'll check you guys out in the next video. Stay safe out there. Yeah, Kauai is opening up slowly. It's getting busier, and hopefully the normal, not new normal, but hopefully the normal will get here sooner than later. Peace out, guys.